Hi, today in front of me NAVITEL tab, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So first, open the Muviz application. So let's just open it. Tap to open it. Click to AOD and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Click to apply. To change backgrounds, click to the backgrounds, and to select one from the available backgrounds, swipe to up, to the up or to the down. Click to apply. Click to music controls to change them. We should just to hide them after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them. Slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. To turn on or turn off notifications and the calendar, just click on the switcher, tap to battery section, and to show it always while device charging or never, select one from these available options. Just go back, switch AOD to the settings, and tap to always on display. To show it on lock screen, switch it, or to show it always while device charging on music, just to select one from these available options. To increase or decrease the brightness level, swipe to the up or to the down. To change timeout from 5 seconds to never, you could change it here. Also, we could low power after 5 seconds, 15 never. To change screen orientation from auto to portrait landscape, to close it with a double or single tap, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable it during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.